in case you didn't think I'm already crazy enough, here is my evening routine to help control pests. Is it working? I don't know. My cucumbers are looking more green than yellow now. And I think I have 2 extra cucumbers growing on the plant that until now for the last few weeks has had real trouble with its blossoms at all. So here's what I do. So every night I go out armed with 2 things. A flashlight, really nice high-powered one, and a cup, a short one so I can get under leaves of soapy water. Tonight, I don't know how many cucumber beetles I caught, but it was a good number, as well as a few slugs. So I'm going to pour it down the toilet and I'm going to show you my prize. Alright, here goes. Now ignore the yellow flower, I caught a squash bug in there. Look at all those critters. Those are all cucumber beetles. I don't know if you can see the slugs anymore. Maybe they dissolved. There were a couple slugs too in there. That's just from spending 5 to 10 minutes outside knocking cucumber beetles into my soapy cup. Bye-bye, beetles.